Hello, welcome to a very unusual review. It's another old Doctor Who merchandise. What we have here is the Mini Dalek Battle Pack, which features a cyber leader. This features a cyber leader, the stock standard Cyberman, but with different hands. You can zoom in. If I can zoom in, there's the cyber leader. With the end of defense, the C can come off, and it says it's in red in combat. Don't know how that works, but we shall find out when we do the combat. When we do the battle pack on the second half of this video. When we do the combat pack on the next. When we do the battle in the next part of the video. There are variations of that. You can get a Doctor variation. I think 9th and 10th Doctor variation. I think all I've seen was the 9th Doctor variation. There was a Rose Tyler variation, and of course you get 2 Daleks, which I've got one of these out of box. I've got another one here. I've got one here, which I'll have a look at in a minute, because he's already got batteries in it. You see, right? It's just that. Is it in red with combat? The Daleks only, and it's limited edition pack. So yes, it's quite very big, and yes, underneath, yes, it takes 6 AAA batteries, 3 in the Dalek, 3 in the remote. I recommend using the same ones. Do not mix them. Decide. So seek and locate and exterminate. If you want to pause it for a second, you can read it, but if not, we'll move on to the Cyberman. Cyberman, if you want to pause that and read it, go right ahead. The back, what features? There's the it comes with a cyber leader action figure, an inferior battling only, which is the Daleks. There's a spec. Everyone's looking at spec. Yeah, it's ages 5 and plus. Yes, it's official. Right. Without further ado, let's get it. Let's open the box. But I've always opened the boxes on the left. So, just position the camera like that. Just move the box out of the way. This is what you get. This is what you get. I don't think this has pages on this right first. We shall have a look at the cyber leader first. Because since this is exclusive to this set, since the cyber leader is exclusive to the set, of course I just already put the C on the cyber leader. That's the cyber leader. The only difference here, you've got black handles and a different arm position. I'll just let you know, I bought this for a reasonable price on eBay, where the rest of my Daleks come from. Anyway, yeah, there's a pointy finger. We need you. Yeah, he's got black handles, similar to a stock standard one, but with black handles on his head. Similar to the cyber controller this hand. But my original one broke. And my Daleks broke. Okay, there's the cyber leader. Let's put him to the back. There's no point in me getting this Dalek out because I've already got one out. I've already got one out and battery power. Let's have a look at that Dalek first. Here's the Dalek. It is a battle Dalek. You can see the translucent sensors on the bottom of the Dalek, and then you've got its remote, which is smaller. And while I've got this remote out, here's your size comparison. Let me just zoom out and do a remote control comparison. There's a stock standard. That's a paradigm one. That's a paradigm remote. And now I need a 12-inch or an 18-inch remote. So this is an 18-inch remote. It's the original size. There we go. turn him on. There you go, that's what you do, you turn it on or reset the Dalek. Oh god, Dalek dropped. Yes, this is the Battle Dalek. This is the black and bronze variant of the Dalek. The head can't move. This particular one had a bit of damage. Because I dropped it twice. I dropped it twice. If anything breaks on this Dalek, I've got another one. So I've got two of these Daleks. Right, I don't have any other Daleks to compare it with, but here there he is with a Paradigm Dalek. Oh, that's the assignment. Oh. Let me turn this Dalek off or else I'll waste the power. There he is with a Paradigm Supreme, but the Asylum version, and then give him a comparison, then my next comparison with, if I get the right Dalek, Dalek Just. There's Dalek Just. Dalek Just on the left, Dalek Just on the left, the other Dalek there, and the Supreme. Let's move Dalek Just out the way. Got one more comparison. No, and well, anyway, I have, don't to mention, the Ironsides have it as well, but they have the new version of the design with the Paradigm Daleks. That bit in the middle is translucent, so it's less noticeable. But the Paradigm Daleks can be power battle. Oh yeah, this one is 40 megahertz. You can just see the sticker. It's just rotted away. That's the megahertz. The other one is 27. Now let's go and get the bronze variant. The cyberman are just waiting. Let's get the bronze variant out. There's the bronze variant. There's the bronze variant of it. There's the bronze. Same as that one. Same as this one. But with a different colour scheme. With a very different colour scheme. But same translucent bit at the bottom. Before I do go into operating the Daleks, I better go and get my famous book out and get the paperwork for it. Get the paperwork for it. I better get the paperwork because the paperwork's more important. Here's the paperwork. Right, the contents: you should have 2 RC Daleks and a Cyber Leader and some accessories. This is just like your maintenance, your action figures. You can recreate. About the battery, as I said at the beginning, it was in the bottom of the box. And it's just how to look after them, really. And take the batteries out when not in use. And take the batteries out and not in use. Oh, my Cyberman Leader's just did a drop. Cyber Leader just did a drop. Well, anyway. Well, there's the bronze Dalek. The controller is similar, but it's just with a bronze gun. Oh god! Let me just get the control. Let me just move you out the way. Now let's get my big arms in the way. Let me just get the controller. Let me just get the controller. There's what the controller looks like. Same, but this is 27 megahertz. Of course, both Daleks come with an aerial. And then you have to fit the batteries yourself. So, I'm going to cut the camera. I'm going to put the instructions away. And I'm going to put some battery. I'm going to re-put back in the batteries I originally had for this Dalek. And then put the instructions away. And then I'm going to see how the battle pack works. I'll see you in a bit. Alright, I'm back again, but this time with the batteries in the Dalek. I just forgot to put the aerial back in. Be easy if I put the aerial back in before I started the video. Right, let me get myself in position. Even though I forgot to position the camera for this, but doesn't matter because we're going to see some Dalek action now. Excuse if I move the camera, I'm just positioning me on my camera. There we are. We can put the cyber leader where you want. Let's put on the first Dalek. There's the first Dalek. Didn't realise I left that on. And here's the second Dalek. But this is the one. So the aim of the game is. Aim of the game, you need 2 players, 2 controllers, 2 Daleks. First person. Well, first person to disable the other player's Dalek wins. Let me give him a demonstration. Helps, but turned it on. There you go. When whoever pushes this button first gets the damage. You can see there. They're lighting up. It's lit up because it's damaged. Now there's the bronze one. If you try to do it at the same time, you'll still get the damage. So he'll get the damage, and you can move him as well. Because they're radio controlled. And then exterminate. Don't worry, I have a replacement of this controller on the way. Oh god, there you go. That's the number of line. When the light's number, it means that the number of damage lives it's lost. Here's another one. That side. This uses to move it, so I don't need to move the Dalek. There's another damage. Yeah, this is the 40 megahertz one. This one's faster. If you're clever enough, you can get it while it's speaking. That's because I missed. I missed. Now you took another damage from this Dalek. Unit damage. They'll say Dalek unit damaged. If you move it fast enough, you can avoid the damage. And then if he takes him out. You hear the battle cry and it goes off. And that is how you battle with the Daleks. To reset it, you have to push a very small push the small button like that. So let's give him a little payback, shall we? There you go. There's the other one. It only took one hit. There you go. I guess now both Daleks have been disabled. There you go. I paid, I think, I got the seller offered 40 quid and I accepted it. Of course you get 2 Daleks. A cyber leader action figure, and and whatever this thing is, you get that. That comes with it. That is what you get, and this is what you get with the with this pack. Excuse all the background noise. Yes, you get 2 Daleks. You get 2 Daleks. 2 radio controlled Daleks. Just be careful with these Daleks. If you drop them, the eye stalk falls off, and they're very easy to break. It takes 3, 6, 9. It takes 12 AAA batteries to power up these bad boys up. And you get your cyber leader. This as well. As I said before, there's a Doctor variant and a Rose Tyler variant of this Dalek. So technically, whatever version you get, you still get 2 Daleks. Well, if anyone wants to have, I've got the Supreme Dalek here, which is RC as well. But we'll have a look at him in another video. Since I already reviewed the 18-inch version, I might as well review the 5-inch version, and that is radio controlled. Right, anyway, yes, I think it's time for me to put these Daleks away and keep one controller out, because I've got to do another Dalek. And I will see you in another video. Ta-ta.